Oh, how is that the markers are just lovely tiles. What a lovely mural is.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's 7:10 in the morning. 2 people in there, bathroom. There's 6 people in here. They've all gone. I'm the last person. 7:10 in the morning. So just a bit of packing up and I'll be on my way. First task this morning is a short walk beside the road. It might be by a road on a very thin path, but they do give you signs. Good morning, day 2. So today is almost as long a day. We had a 30k day yesterday, off to Barcelos. And these will be our 2 biggest days, I think. The weather looks like it's going to be nice and fine again today. We are beginning to get into more countryside, so that's really nice. Yesterday was just a long drag out of Porto. You have to do it, but yeah, should be a better day. So let's see where the day takes us. A gate in the middle of nowhere. Behind it is the road, and we're on a path. Coming into view, a wonderful bridge. Getting closer to the bridge, going over the river Ave, A-V-E. I'm not sure how you say it in Portuguese. Either that's a big bird or that is flood deposits. Oh, how wonderful. Up and over a cobbled bridge. Has some peregrinos up front. A mill building. On the other side. Whew. And the slow river Ave. Basic law of geography, when you come down to a river, you've got to go up the other side. This is the alternate to get off the main road. Yes, back in the country. And a cobbled road. You don't often see sundials. Pretty much every field has these concrete or granite posts which are used for vines. But on the field we've just come down, they're all just sticking up with nothing on top. Walking a succession of field edges, but they don't have bushes and hedges. It's just walls and space for one vehicle. Just for a change, half the path is a stream. What is it? Very short hop on the road, and then we get taken over this lovely bridge. Quinta São Miguel de Arcos. Some of the fields look very sandy. This is a very sandy river. feel very Roman, coming down a cobbled road with all the crosses each side of the road. I think I've watched Spartacus too many times. What a stunning church in Arcos. Just a nice rural scene as we come out of Arcos. Nice little egret. I think this person made their money with cows or milk. To have a cow on your balcony. Sometimes it's just a long drag into the town. Farming country. Just like buses, when one goes by, you get a second one. "209 kilometers to go." We're between towns now, so going through the countryside, so it feels much nicer. First real picnicking area we've seen, and with it you get a cracking cockerel. So at this rest stop people leave little trinkets, or flags, messages, stones, your shoes. Yeah. This is the first real stop that we've come across. Makes you feel like the Camino has really started. Finally caught one of you guys. Whole load of dogs. It's all a bit warm. Hey, it's all a bit warm. Haven't seen a sign like this. Exactly what we want. A turn to the right, but something that's a feature here is there are bins. But we're off to the right. Settling into these country paths between the farm buildings. So what's nice about Portugal, known for its tiles, is that the markers are just lovely tiles. But we've got a GR and we've got a yellow arrow. So this way. Almost missed them. You look back and you find your goats. I haven't seen many cyclists. You know, so this is the famous stone. Three kilometers on this road, and it's not really wide enough. So entering the administrative area of Barcelos. It's the UNESCO place. Interesting. Great early start to this day, but we end the day with at least 3 kilometers walking beside this road. Respite from the road. Ooh, a cool change through the eucalyptus forest. Coming down into a suburb. I think we're going to turn right somewhere, not sure where. But coming through this town, little village, they have an arreo at a grain store. The pony needs company. It's got goats for company. What a lovely mural as you come into Barcelos. Definitely coming into the main town. Now we just got to work our way through and find our accommodation. Rooster. We're going over the bridge. The wide river and the castle. I can also press it harder. It's impressive. Long corridor. Ooh. Oh. Nice view of the city. No.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.